Now we're starting from this picture, this schema. Okay, it's a bit ugly, but you can understand how this should look like in our case. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pages. We will call them, well, like this. So register, landing, login, unsecured, secured, or partially secured. And let's create this login.html. Let's create register.html. And also it should be maybe index.html, and we also should have secured HTML. We should have also unsecured HTML, and we should have partially secured HTML. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with index. So this would be our landing page. Yeah, and from there we can access all of these. So I would create something like nav, and in nav I would create several anchors with page ref, like unsecured HTML. So insecure page, maybe something like here. Okay, we also have secured, and we also have partially secured. So here we would say secured, here we would say partially secured page. That'll be it. This is now, and we also have a main part where we would have something like header that says h2. Okay, welcome to my secured website. Okay, and well, let's add some lorem ipsum, like to just have some text here. Okay, so lorem generator. Yeah, ipsum. I always forget how it's called. So generate. Yes, I will take like 3 paragraphs and copy paste this. Okay, so yeah, this would be paragraph first one. Okay, and this would be the second one. Yeah, and this would be the third one. I might go with section or something like this, but well, let's not complicate. And let's see how that works. Open with live server. Okay. Okay, it's landing page. We do have three entries in menu. Okay, that's nice for start. So we actually want now to add login, link to login page. And actually, the thing I did not draw here, because it's not a separate page, it's just a feature or functionality, it's logout.